As you see me so, I know send you, but that one no been said, I know they wish you well, yo. I mind my own business and I don't give a shit, but I still didn't feel you. Cause we are one in the same, one struggling, hustle, hustle, hustle. Plus without you, there will be no one to come my.
So once it's been washed, this is how it looks like. Body wave, Brazilian hair, and 16-inch, 12-inch, and 18-inch. So I'm going to do the bleaching now. So I've got the hair, and I'm using the foil to prepare the hair. I've got some gloves, and I'm using this bleach. Say Jerome Russell Blonde. For light to dark brown hair, powder bleach, high or the. Okay, so I'm using the 30 volt peroxide with the blonde powder bleach, 25 grams. It's quite easy because everything is measured for you, 75 grams, and you use it says here for every 25 grams of the bleach you mix 75 mils of the peroxide. Smooth it until it's creamy. So this is what I'm using. It comes 4 in a pack, and is was £3 something for the powdered, 4 in a pack, and £1 40 something each. So under £4 for the powder and under £2 for the bleach. This is how it looks like when it's washed. So the curl in the body wave, that's dropped a little bit. It's not dead straight, but it's dropped a little bit. I wouldn't say a little bit, quite a bit. Okay, so let's just get it sorted. I've got a mixture of both because I lost my color. So any mixture of both, as long as it's plastic. I've got my mixing brush. Okay, let's get started. So I'll take my bowl. Okay, so for every one of these, So what we do is we come back in 15 minutes and check how it's all done. Okay, so as you can see, it seems to, within 5 minutes, it seems to have done the job. So I'm going to take it a bit further down up to give it a bit of damp, and that's it. Okay, so the 16-inch that was washed before seems to have done the job, and I'm quite happy with what it is right now. I'm going to go and rinse it off. For the 18-inch, it's just coming up. It still needs a bit of work. For the 12-inch, yeah, the 12-inch is doing quite well. I like the very ends, very light. I'm still gonna leave it for a little while before I rinse it off. So yeah, apart from the 18-inch, I think I'm quite happy where I am right now. Okay, so I'll get back to you in 15 minutes after I wash it off. Okay, so I rinsed the color off, and I think I'm okay with it so far. I'm quite happy with it, and I'm using the herbal essence Hello hydration moisture and shine shampoo to wash it, and I'm going to deep condition it with this the conditioner, sorry, upside down conditioner. Deep condition it with that, and leave it in for about 15 to 20 minutes. Put it in a bag, leave it in for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off. Okay, so now I am deep conditioning the hair in bag with the conditioner in there for 15 minutes.
If you think that François Hollande was the first to talk, months ago, that of course, discipline fiscal.
So after the color and after the wash, you can see that it still has a bit of wave in it. So body wave, Brazilian virgin hair.
As you see me so, I know send you, but that one not been said, I know they wish you well, yo. I mind my own business and I don't give a shit, but I still they feel you,
DJ.
Cause we are one in the same, one struggling, hustle. Plus without you, there'll be no one to call my brother. I say without you, there'll be no one to call my neighbor. I say without you, there'll be no one